Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new user in Windows 11 using the command prompt. And look, this method is very fast and you don't need to go through all the Windows settings. So let's get started. Step number 1, click on the search bar, then type here CMD, then click on the Run as Administrator, and this will open the command prompt slide. Now simply type this command net user, then press the enter key. Now the command was successful and this will show the all the user accounts on your host machine. Now let's move on the next command, and this command will create the new user account on your host machine. Type this simple command net user, then put the space, and suppose the username I type here Josh. This is the username. Again put the space, put the forward slash, then type here add. This is the simple command you have to type on the command prompt, and here is the username Josh. Then simply press the enter key. Now the command was completed successfully. Now again we have to check the user account, it's created or not. Type the simple command net user, then press the enter key. Then scroll up. As you can see, the user account has been created. Now we have to set the user account password. Let's move on the next command. Type this command net user, put the space, and type the username Josh. Again put the space, then put the asterisk sign, then simply press the enter key. Now here you have to type the account password. So I'm going to type here password of this account, hit the enter key and retype the same password, then again press the enter key, and boom, the command was completed successfully. Now the user has been created and the password successfully. Account of this Josh has been created. So with this simple step, you can easily create the user profile on your Windows 11. But wait, before I sign out, do not forget to like, comment, and follow my channel. Thanks for watching.